stove all told weighs probably just a little bit more than 10 pounds. It's not that hard to carry around with you if you take a hike out in the woods or going to the beach. I'm going to be burning some tulip poplar that we had a little bit of wind come through and some dead branches fell down, so that's what we're going to be cooking with. What I'm lighting the wood with is a couple of cotton balls with a little bit of Vaseline rubbed on them. The cotton balls seem to burn a long time and very hot, and I've yet to have a failure as far as getting it started. Well, Art, we're doing some ribs on the old rocket stove. And cooking away nicely. And let's see. Yep, we got the flame going away in there. Air going in the bottom. Getting ready to put a little barbecue sauce on these things in a couple minutes. The ones on the left were frozen solid. They're still frozen. They're going to take a while. We'll turn this thing back on again and get going a little bit further. We'll get some barbecue sauce on. See you in a little while. Bye. Well, they're getting pretty close. I figure about another 15 minutes they'll be done. They're looking yummy. I can't wait. Won't be long now.
Hey everybody, I hope you liked that last video. Some of them I like after I get done editing them, some of them I'm not so fond of, but once they're taken, you don't really know what you got until you go to edit it. If you liked it, I'd appreciate if you went down there, clicked on some of the others, give it a thumbs up. Write a comment. Actually, subscribing would be great. I appreciate everything you can do for me. I've got more videos coming. I'm just getting to them.